Here I have NTT Tab, and let me show you how to insert here memory card. All you have to do is simply find a slot for your memory card. Of course, in that case it's micro SD card right here, and simply put here your micro SD card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put your card in that position. Have a look, and let's insert in that slot. Let's push it to the end by using your nail finger. You have to hear the characteristic sound, make sure it's used to your device, and then you can check if your card is working properly. Unlock the screen, tap apps icon in that corner, find and select settings, choose storage, and as you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.